Hey Jeep lovers, tired of wrestling with your hardtop every time you want to hit the trail? Well, today I got something that might change the game. This hardtop remover lift for Jeep Wranglers makes removing and storing your hardtop fast, easy, and one-person friendly. And in this video, I'm going to put it to the test. But first, let's assemble it.
Yes, my package has finally arrived. Let's get this bad boy opened up and assembled.
I am so excited about this lift. I have wanted this for such a long time. It is really hard to remove that hardtop, even with a second person. So this lift, for me, is going to be a game changer. Let's get it unboxed and assembled. Once you get everything unboxed and laid out, the first thing that we want to do is put the base together. This kit is obviously going to come with instructions, and it organizes all the bolts for you, which is super convenient. The first thing that you want to do is attach the legs. Make sure you put the bolts facing down, not up, and put a washer at the top of the bolt. The lock washer is going to go on the bottom, which is a little difficult, but it's pretty easy to manage. Another note to make sure you put the feet with the brakes on the back end of the lift, not the front. You can see here that I put it in the front and I had to disassemble it and put it in the back. When you slide this lift under your Jeep, you're going to want to lock it in place, and that's why we put the brakes in the back. So once again, make sure these brakes are in the back of the lift, not the front of the lift. Next up, let's attach this shaft. You're going to use the bigger bolts for this. Once again, put the washer up top. That lock washer is going to be put on after you push the bolt through the shaft. Make sure those knobs are in the inside, not the outside. And as you're going through, just make sure you tighten them up with the Allen wrench that it comes with and hold the knob firmly with your other hand. Your kit's going to come with hand-tightened knobs, so it's going to be pretty convenient for storage purposes and also assembling it. Assembling this lift is pretty easy. Just follow the instructions. It's really not that hard. Take it piece by piece, start with the base. All the bolts are laid out for you, and the instructions are really easy to follow. All right, our jack's looking pretty good at this time. Let's test the lifting mechanism, and it seems to be working really good. The next thing that you want to put on are these hardtop pads. Now you can adjust these depending on how high your Jeep Wrangler is, but for starters, I just put it on the first knob, and I made sure they're all even. All right, this thing is assembled and looking good. Make sure all your bolts are tight and nothing is loose. The next thing we want to do is remove our hardtop. If it's a Jeep Wrangler JL, it should come with a hardtop tool remover kit. Let's get those freedom panels off first, and then we're going to unbolt the back, and we're going to try out this lift and see if it actually works. Now, if you've never removed your hardtop, there's 2 bolts in the front and 6 in the back. Also, make sure you unclip your electrical and your windshield washer fluid line. If you have a Jeep Wrangler JL like I do, the back actually has bolt storage, which is super convenient and a really cool feature. So make sure you put all your bolts in there so you don't lose anything. Before we remove the hardtop, I like to open up all my doors. I don't know if this step is necessary, but I always do it. Okay, once you've done that, we are ready to use this jack. I am super excited. Let's see how well this works. Just slide it right into place, and the jack should go right under the Jeep. Once you've done that, lock the jack in place. That's why we're going to put these brakes on the back and then start lifting. This is truly effortless. Now, depending if you're jacking this up on a slope or not, the front might get a little top heavy, but just keep working that hardtop up and you should be able to clear the top roll cage. Once you clear the top roll cage, it's time to unlock the brakes and start moving the hardtop back away from the Jeep. Once you remove the hardtop, put the brakes back on, and you're gonna wanna put this front pad on next for stability. Now, I have a 4-door unlimited. If you have a 2-door, you might not need to do this, but if you have a 4-door unlimited like I do, make sure you put that extra pad on because it's gonna provide a lot of stability. Once your hardtop seems secure, it's time to roll it into your garage. And once you got it into place, go ahead and put those brakes back on. Now you can drive your Jeep into your garage with the hardtop on top of your hood without touching it whatsoever, providing nice, clean, and easy storage, just in case it rains. You can also adjust this lift higher or lower depending on your garage. Wow, I'm really impressed. It's a tight squeeze in my garage, but it fits perfectly. Now it's time to enjoy the ride. This is why I got this lift, so I can take my hardtop off all by myself. Once you're done with your cruise, it's time to put your hardtop back on. Now this might be even easier than removing the hardtop itself. Simply wheel your hardtop back into place. I would open all your doors for this. And if you want to remove that stabilizing arm, it might be easier to get to the back of the trunk and to lift the hardtop just a little bit, just to relieve the pressure, and then you can slide that hardtop right back into place. You're going to need to remove that front arm because it will hit your roll cage if you try to put your hardtop back on with it on. And once you got it into place, just start lowering it nice and slow, and it should line up right to the bolts. It's that simple. Attach all your bolts, your electric, and your windshield washer line, and you should be good to go. Congratulations, you just took your hardtop off all by yourself and put it back on. I really like this lift, and it's a game changer when removing your hardtop on your Jeep Wrangler. If you have ever struggled with removing your hardtop by yourself, this lift is a game changer. Quick, sturdy, and truly one-person friendly. If you want one for your Jeep, check out the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.